Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to clear cookies on iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your settings. Scroll down until you see Safari. So once you see Safari, just go ahead and click on that. And scroll down until you see this clear history and website data. So just go ahead and click on that. So here, clearing will remove history, cookies, and other browsing data. Okay, so if you're sure about your action, just go ahead and click on clear history and data, and you're good to go. So that's it. That is how you clear your cookies on iPhone. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.